is your dream to find the perfect design for your living space? Watch this video now.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are new to the channel, here you can find a lot of design ideas. Subscribe and turn on notifications.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Have you ever wondered what is the right TV size for your room? We have developed a document containing all the important information you need to know before designing your house. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
His senses and time perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality. Experience the mind-expanding power.
Check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.